Yo, what's up guys? Thank you for watching another video today. Today I'm gonna take you guys with me up to Azusa Canyon out here in SoCal. I had my friend Marissa hit me up. She has an Evo and she wants to go up to the canyon and pretty much cruise and do a little photo shoot. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, see what happens, and I do want to get a point of view drive with a GoPro with the Evo because I know you guys love that stuff and I haven't really done much with the Evo. And I thought it's like a perfect opportunity to do it now. So I'm gonna head out to her house, so we'll say what's up to her, and then from there we'll pretty much head out. So I'll put you guys on the GoPro and let's head out. Alright, we got the famous illest Evo out here with me today. What you doing?
Don't get my hood, man. Don't get my hood.
Have you seen your interior? You got like tools in here?
I got my phone.
Damn.
I guess I have tools in here just in case one of us blow out intake hose.
You actually work on your car though?
Wow, really?
Just damn, stock boys or what?
Don't get the oil leaks, man.
They're like everywhere. It's like everywhere I stare, it's like...
Adds horsepower.
Does it?
Weight reduction, you know?
So she's like fully stock motor-wise and suspension, right? Yeah, you have like nothing.
No, I have Bilstein stock struts on there, like off the Evo 9. I do have ARP head studs, so technically.
Oh yeah, because you did your head gasket, huh? So you're not fully stock?
I blew my head gasket. I have a Borla custom exhaust on it. I have got upgraded intercooler. New battery.
That counts. More power or what?
Yeah, more horsepower.
Are you actually gonna like build it though?
Yeah, so I'm actually starting a YouTube channel where
Okay.
I'm gonna be building it.
I'll plug it in the description, guys. Check it out.
So this one, I'm more into like canyon runs and time attack, so I think I'm gonna go more suspension wise.
Okay.
Build up the engine a little bit, not too fast, because I'm not doing drag or anything excessive like that.
So like how much power do you want?
I'm gonna be thinking like in the 5-6 range.
That's a lot for an Evo. Anyways, I need E85 because I don't think I'll make it back unless you're trying to be stranded with me out there.
I don't know about that.
Go, don't be shy. Alright, so we're gonna go to the E85 station. I need some gas. She does too, but
Not on E.
you're not on E. Yeah, so I'm gonna put you guys on a point of view drive and we'll get there real quick. With the trash guy coming. Hey, pick up her car too, please. I'm just playing, that's messed up. Okay. I see you. Oh, damn! What the? That thing just popped. God damn, I wish mine popped. Dope. You already know, 85 boys. No. Hey Marissa, come here. Trying to fill up the jug, see what it feels like to be fast or what?
Oh wow.
Alright, we both filled up. Ready or what? Alright, let's go. You're what? Why are we recording each other? Let me see your GoPro. That's cute. You gonna put that in your mouth too, huh? Yo, these palm trees are beautiful. I want her to lead though. I don't want to be in front. Oh, damn, okay. beautiful it is out here. Look at the mountains. Damn. Okay. Yo, she corners really good. I'm actually have to try. Marissa, she knows how to drive. Yeah, okay. I forgot how fun it is to drive this thing in a canyon. Oh, no, no, down, okay. Evo, she's actually really good. Like, I'm actually kind of struggling to keep up with her, and I'm like full suspension and 85. Okay. Okay. I gotta give you props on the driving though. That's actually pretty good. You're knocking. Okay, Supra.
For sure, BMW.
So what's going on with your car? It was overheating?
Oh my god.
Damn, all bad. Breaking down always.
Say Evo thing.
It'd be like that, I know. I've been stranded a bunch of times too. Damn.
Sorry, I have terrible aim.
Fence turned off.
Think my car's dying? I'm gonna wait for it to cool and then I'm gonna check the radiator, make sure that it has enough coolant.
I'm trying to set up the GoPro because we're gonna have Marissa drive my car and I'm gonna have her tell me like what she thinks of this Evo versus hers being stock. But you don't think it'll come off though, for real?
Well, we'll find out.
Oh yeah, this thing's on there.
On that. If it comes off, I mean, at least it'll fly that way. Maybe we can grab it.
Damn, that view though. That view though.
I hate you so much.
What's going on?
When your car's as broken as your fucking nail.
How bad is it? Damn, rip.
I know. It's just gotta hold for the video, man.
That's all that matters.
The things I do for YouTube.
Hold up. Alright, there you go.
You have this for a reason.
I know.
You just don't use it. There you go. You're welcome.
Here are the keys.
Let's get it. I've been driving my car for a while, so this is definitely gonna be
What? Easy?
Different.
Oh.
I have to get used to it for a little bit. Hi, how's it going?
Hi, what's up?
How's your day?
Pretty good. Yours? The car feels way faster in the passenger seat.
Really?
Yeah.
It's just maybe because I'm good at driving.
Okay. Oh. Got Subies.
Where? Sorry, should I go slower for you?
No, you're good, you're good.
Like my granny shifting. Definitely handling wise is different.
Yeah, I got these monkey bars, right?
What is it, the ocean handle? One of my favorite turns.
Alright, we're back. She did pretty good. I was a little bit scared, but
Oh goodness.
you did alright. It's just different when you're like in your own car as a passenger. It's not the same. Alright, we're gonna set up for a cinematic. I'm gonna let it roll.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Damn, ride that clutch. Ride that clutch. Alright guys, we're pretty much gonna end the video here. Make sure you check out her YouTube channel. She just started. She's gonna pretty much document her whole build. But I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next one.
You search but you stay lost.
Search for you, stay lost.